You humble calm, not get no milk. You humble that time you hungry and laugh at you, because you don't have food. You see me?
Real talk,
man. You tip out by your can't do what you do, so until you humble, you never say, ease up, man. You're too humble. You say, yo, turn up good, man, and ease up on foot.
Now get the pussy. I'm going to fuck see how this way, man. You see one little taxi boy I will carry over.
You don't understand, I know something like him, bro. I see
Come
you
again.
100 grand.
What you spend on girl?
100,000 when come from foreign and where now get the pussy, man, yacht.
I like.
What I mean? I tell, ask him, come and come and afraid of me, come in here, you know. Come in the yard and walk coming there. Sheriff give my chain.
I see your style.
Oh, and come in and sit down and wait. And buy bowl, and buy paper where you want and give paper where you want. And come and buy with nothing. And you say, but see what you are right where. Oh, look for him and we were joke, man, I mean.
Son, I tell you, it's a virgin, brother. If you come some woman and fuck a girl, you see me, and as you push in your hood and broke, if the girl say your money done, you just will get more money and come back. So if you give him $30,000 to get a fuck.
No, sir,
and
man.
Remember, say pussy value more than that, you know.
Yeah, value more than that, brother. 5 days or 1,000 or than
Pussy value house and car, you know.
No, sir. You're mad. Not for me.
Me I tell you the truth.
When I have my car, I'm going to sell it and go give girl the money, people.
So no smart, you're smart. You can get another fuck again when you have the next money.
Rather do that for.
No, woman no good to you.
What kind of good to me? Take away me got start right now. They left me there sleep on table.
Where you call table?
No, it's not there on my bed. So a table that I can't.
No, but you could buy one bedded for yourself. You need
woman busy to take away money.
So why you not put yourself in order first? If you need a bedded, you buy the bedded and sitting.
The first thing that's why I don't want no woman. Can't time me there with woman, me can't see what me do for myself. If I move, I woman me there see. So them a blockage in my life. Every time me look for him, say no one sit. So sometimes you all want for yourself and me no make fear of woman. Me make fear of myself. Say them fuckers no.
Look how much kids you get. How much overall you get 8 kids.
I know I stress, give me them. Cause I show them one amount of money with them take when me just fuck for breed sitting. Me not fuck for love again, me a fuck for breed sitting. Cause me sister you know mean me no good and you gone with me money, what me all do? And one thing you can get out of a woman is a pick me, and that me learn as a man.
And brilliant truly.
Well she get out of them.
Woman they guide in the right path.
Guide in the right path, nothing motivation, them fuckers there. Sometimes you don't walk a paper woman your mind there. Cause every day they get up there have a next problem. Sometimes you gotta walk you not.
People, I don't want to talk about social media and something. But from hard day, this king thing are growing and who are fight over kingship. All of the artists about king, you know. But who deserve the kingship? People, may I tell you about the artist. I'm going on a submarine and going at the bottom of the water and I see him name. I'm going on a helicopter one time and I look on it and the popular, I see him name. I'm going to take the Air Jamaica from Air Jamaica, days of flight Jamaica, and I see him name people. Then I start take American Airlines and I see him name right under the wing. You get me? And the hungry man I know of a queen and bring the queen come to Jamaica to the people. People may tell about a man, you know, everywhere the man in here mention, you know, throughout the years, on top of the years, on top of the years, you know. I know. But you don't tell me who will be the king, people. L.A. Louis! I want to, you know, because you look like you now get no knockings down, no clappings. I want to kill out to the clot. I shit in a plate, them blood clot. Fuck off! Shit in a fucking plate. Kill me to blood clot, me too. What you say? Heart of love, you know, give thanks and praises to the King of the Earth, 3 in 1, one and only, Trinity Allah, you know.
Come down.
Conquering lion, where you say no one nothing for the hood when you show out in a drop, blap it out.
Oh, it cannot block.
You are kick like Van Damme for blood clot, you don't need nothing, boy. You should have give me a tip in a Rasta. Let me drink one Magnum, because I make a day today, no. Yes, man, Rastafari, don't know.
You know, for me, no girl, I shall go like to water, but thing and all. Go away, go man. It's an idea. We tell the next bad deal, yo. See you. If no money, but I look for you. I can move blood clot, say.
If you fucking blood clot, if you feel a blood clot from. If you feel a blood clot, bullfrog, you get more to put me by push and blood clot. Come on, money for you. I tell you, blood.
90. No. Me how much?
They're about now 91, man.
But ask Sancho much, man. Ask Sancho and tell me some.
Tell you that you're born 91.
Black cool, that's time, man.
Where born
91.
Me born the 20th June 1991 year old.
91
Me
year
a
old.
33 year old. Me a tell the man, say man I say a lot, yo.
I don't want to go in the front. Them one.
Oh, them the one. Black cool it.
Don't lie, boy. You're born 91.
Which one them born? Me a want to
You're about 29. You're 29. You're 29 year old.
Yeah, me black.
The public. Come now, come in a video and tell the people him. Tell the people. Tell the people him what happened to you.
Good morning, people.
A video.
I'm a mother of 9 children. Yeah, I have this little boy when he Courtney, my 27-year-old. He not stop slay down upon me. I run a little business down a town, and true, me not make him down there with me. The boy I take set upon me like, whoa. Me there in my room, and the boy come in my room with him dirty music on him phone, and I say, no, me not Christian. Me I know nothing but. Me not like them kind of out-order song there and gun tune and something like Rasta song, cause me a Rasta woman. Take up the phone, tell the boy to take the phone out of my house, my room. I know, so the boy, woman low my phone, let's see me up rub on my bleaching cream. I looking at my Jessa glass. I say my rub on my I say, no, come out here, cause me not in and nothing with it. I know, say, me there and the boy, me take up him phone and bring around a film room, go put it. And the boy take him on and box me in my face, brother. Box him mother. We bring him come here in him face, in my face. True. I tell him, I say, boy, you box me. You know what him do? He help me and say, move out of the way, because 2 minutes in the passage, and I go and I'm nearly drop. No, man, I want to hear what people have to say about that.
Evil's parties.
You could have ball blood. But the man to carry out genocide for Rasta. Bruce Golden carry out genocide for Tivoli Garden. Siaga married Flower to Pad. Andrew Wellness try to kill you out to the vaccine.
From 2016.
From 2016, them is a poor. Who want the election called 2020?
For vote them out.
Vote out all dirty here, my right. Yeah.
All it out.
That but man to this town. Stand first. Yeah.